What up, my vaping brothers and sisters? Dan the Man here. Do not fear, because I am bringing to you the Aspire Nautilus 2. I have been looking very forward to this one. I'm giving this away, and let me tell you now, I don't want to. I love it. Let's go ahead and open up, take a look at it, right? I'm not lucky enough to get more than one product, so you'll have to get this one. And I don't know if anybody wants a used product or not. So, it does come with this little thingamabobber here telling you how to put it together. It's pretty intuitive, and there's the colors, the several types of colors that they have with it. And it also comes with a warranty. Okay, a warranty card. I never ever mess with those. I don't. I just don't. And how to fill it with the max line, which you can. All right, I'm already giggling and I'm already stumbling over my words. Let's not do that. I need to be getting better at these reviews, not worse. Now I do have some extra coils, but let's pull this out. Oh, you know what? I dig the fact that they got this little booger so I can pull it out of the box easy enough, okay? Oh my gosh. I can't get anything else out, but I can sure. Hey, Lord have mercy. Extra glass. I always appreciate that because I drop everything I own. Extra O-rings. Extra coil head. 1.8. Extra drip tip. This one's metal, which I don't personally don't like metal drip tips, but it's actually a little bigger than this one, and a couple people I let use this hit on it. Didn't like how small the drip tip was, and I do think it actually looks pretty decent like that. I mean, I think that's kind of nice looking, right? Because you already have the accents here, so that a little bit. I mean, it does look nice. I think so. Probably because I'm in love with this device. Device, I don't know. Is it a device? I have no idea. Anywho, I'm going to use it on the Aspire Speeder. Now, the 1.8 ohm coil did not last me very long. I think I burned it up, but I don't know. It lasted like maybe a week. Why am I taking this off? I have no idea. But I am taking it back off for a second so that I can bring this up here and show y'all what I'm talking about. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different holes. You can either vape it with it all open, or you can close them down. I personally vape with these 3 open. It's a restrictive mouth to lung. It's a little, I should say, it's a little open for a mouth to lung, which I don't like getting lightheaded trying to hit on a real tiny hole like that. Right? Right on. Now, the coil I have in here is this one, which is a 0.7, I believe. But let's find out for sure, shall we? Yeah, it's a 0.7 ohms. Alright, now, this is to fill it, pull the top off, like so, and the glass stays on. And you guys can see. Alright, that's where the instructions tell you to go. Now the reason I agree with these instructions, because I've gone higher, and when you do, it floods a little bit, and it'll come out these airflow control holes. Now it's a 0.7 ohm build. No atomizer. Excuse me. 0.7 ohms. 21 watts. 0.26 volts. Well, I'll bring it. You know what? Let me take a vape off of this. Man, so smooth. I do not want to give this up, my friends. Whoever gets it, if you like mouth to lung, you're going to love this. Really, you are. Or at least I love it. Quit your giggling. Quit your damn giggling. Okay. Now there's not really a lot to talk about except for my gushing. I'm a mouth to lung kind of loving guy, and I like this a lot. Let's bring it up top and talk about it. All right. I've got to redo this part. I don't know what happened. The voice, it was like an old Chinese karate movie. Yeah, it was real messed up. There is one thing I forgot to show y'all, that if you have OCD, is a really nice thing to have. Let me show you. The little ring right here actually comes off, and I'll wipe that all down every once in a while. So, just wanted to show you that. This is really a wonderful tank. On this mod right here, at 21 watts, and vaping regularly. I do have other setups, and I don't always mouth the lung. I pretty much will mouth the lung, hit some of my other stuff, and then not vape for about an hour, so that I can get the throat hit on this, which I'm a throat hit chasing fool. It's a really good little setup here. For my mouth to lung devices, I do like a smaller mod. Normally I put this on my IPVD3, and things all tore up, and you don't want it in this video. Heaven. That's a wonderful, wonderful vape. Yeah. That's pretty much it, my friends. $38 for this at healthcabin.net. Now, the real question is if I lost this or if it got stolen, which I've had some of my vape gear stolen, would I buy it again? And yes, I would. As a matter of fact, I'm giving this one away, and I'm going to get my own one. And for the giveaway, just comment below, give me a like, and I'm losing my mind. You have to pay shipping. I can't afford to pay shipping. Can barely afford to eat. But if you want it, it's yours if you're willing to pay shipping. This is Dan and Man signing out. Peace.